Begin by measuring the spaces where the chair rail is to be installed. Chair rail is usually installed at a height of 36 to 38 inches from the floor, but it's best to check these marks with a level in case there are fluctuations in the floor. At the inside corners of the room, you will make an inward-facing 45-degree cut to the chair rail so it miters into the rail on the adjoining wall. If the molding profile is thicker than surrounding trim, like door and window molding, you will want to create a return in these locations. This means rather than cutting the trim square in this spot, you will make an outside 45-degree mitered cut. Next, make an opposing outside miter cut from a scrap piece of chair rail and then square cut this piece to the thickness of the chair rail. The resulting sliver of trim will be glued to the end of the rail to cover the end grain and return the profile to the wall. The only thing different about polyurethane chair rail is that it requires adhesive in addition to finish nails to secure it. Most manufacturers recommend a polyurethane-based construction adhesive. Once the rail is all installed, fill the nail holes with painter's putty and caulk the seams to prepare it for paint.